Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good day. I don't have anything interesting to share from the farm today. It's not stamping day. It's the day that I wanted to share something else from life around here. And what I have to share today is a new recipe for this amazing strawberry pie that I made for the first time a couple of weeks ago. I shared a couple weeks ago, we went strawberry picking. So I was trying to find ways to use all these strawberries. And I asked the farmer, he was leading us out to the correct row we were supposed to pick our berries in. And so I asked him what their favorite way to use berries is. And he says that there's always an Amish lady during strawberry season who makes him a strawberry pie. And he's like, he's like, so you need to make some pie. But he says, it's got to have that real thick layer of cream cheese. So when I got home, I looked up a recipe, found one, edit it. I changed a couple of things. Love it. It is amazing. So you have to try this recipe. Click in the video description below and it'll take you to my website where the recipe is. I'm going to show you here. Here is what's left of my, can I flip this? Here's what's left of, oh, I can't flip it, of my sad strawberry pie is this one little piece right here. So Farmer Matt loves this pie. He's kind of hard to please when it comes to things in the kitchen. Like usually a compliment is, yeah, it's all right. He loves this pie. He's been eating it for breakfast. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell that or not, but and the first time I made it, he ate the whole thing and didn't save me anything from like the last half of the pie. I did not get one. I was seriously crushed. I think I thought the world was coming to an end. This time he saved me this little itty bitty piece. So anyway, make it, try it yourself. It would be great for the 4th of July or your carry-ins and get-togethers this summer. Enjoy it. Let me know what you think.